Serene. Welcome to my green kitchen where everything I make is completely plant-based. So I'm pretty bundled up because it is freezing outside and it might be cold where you live too. And if that's the case, you might be craving a warm autumn beverage. Look no further, I have just the thing. Today I'll be showing you how to make a vegan pumpkin spice latte. You might be thinking, well, I can just pop over at my local Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts, but if you're truly vegan, their pumpkin spice lattes are not. Even if you order them with plant milk, the actual pumpkin spice sauce that they use has milk in it, so it's not truly vegan no matter how you order it. And I just use Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts as examples because they're pretty well known, but a lot of other chain restaurants or coffee places also use milk in their sauce. So that's why I decided to make one at home to share with you all. It's only made with 5 ingredients. It would be 9 if you don't actually have pumpkin spice mix, but I'll be showing you how to make your own pumpkin spice mix in case you don't have any on hand. So without further ado, let's jump right in. The ingredients you'll need are plant milk, pumpkin spice mix, and you can use store-bought or you can make your own by taking a jar and adding cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, clove, and allspice. And then just put the lid on and give it a good shake, and that's your mix. You'll also need sugar, pumpkin puree, and strong brewed black coffee. The first thing you're going to want to do is take a 16-ounce mason jar with a lid and add your plant milk, pumpkin puree, sugar, and spice mix. Then put your lid on the mason jar and mix all of your ingredients up really well until the pumpkin puree is dissolved. And then remove the lid and microwave your mixture for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, remove your mixture from the microwave and replace the lid. Wrap your mason jar in a towel and shake it vigorously for about 30 seconds. This will lighten up your milk and make it a little bit frothy. Finally, you can serve up your latte. So take a clean cup and add your coffee and then pour over your milk mixture, and it should all just mix together, and that's really it. If you wanted to, you could top it with some dairy-free whipped cream and sprinkle on a little bit more of your pumpkin spice mix, but it's just as good without it. I really hope you like this recipe. I've been drinking these literally all week. It's like drinking liquid pumpkin pie, and I'm already starting to warm up from drinking just a little bit. So I'm gonna let you guys go. If you like this recipe, give me a big thumbs up, and I really appreciate any feedback, so leave me a comment below. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting them out every Saturday. Thanks for watching. Bye.